This is very interesting question. It is given that an epidemic is spreading in a population size P. The rate of spread R of the disease at a given time is proportional to both the number of people affected by the disease, which is N, and the number of people not yet affected by the disease. Which of the following graphs of R versus N is correct? So total number of population is P, N is affected, so P minus N is not affected, and this is affected by the disease. So these options are given. Okay? So we solve this problem. So it is given that R is proportional to number of people affected by disease, that is N, and also given R is proportional to the number of people not yet affected, that is P minus N. So from this we can write R is proportional to N into P minus N. So therefore R equal to K into N into P minus N. Okay? So if we break this, so this will Pn minus N square. So we have to draw P R x axis N. So we put N as X, Y, R as Y in this equation, then we get Y equal to K into X, K into Px minus X square. So this is the equation of parabola. And if we see from this that R equal to 0 at 2 points, at N equal to 0 and at N equal to P. Okay? So if we draw the figure, this is R, this is N. So R will be 0 at N equal to 0 and at N equal to P. So this will be 0. So from the figure given in C, we have C, R is 0 at N equal to 0 and N equal to. And if this is R equal to K Pn minus N square, therefore dr dt will be K into P minus 2N. Okay? So from this, if we take it as 0, therefore we get N equal to P by 2, this point, and d2R, this will be N, N2, this will be minus 2K, which is less than 0. So at this point, R has maximum value. So at N equal to 0, N equal to P by 2, R has a maximum value. Okay? And what will be here for N equal to, let us take P by 4, and what will be here when N equal to P by 2? So this will be 3P by 4. So if you take this and this, from this we get for N equal to P by 4, dr dn is K into P minus 2 P by 4, that is 2 P by 2, that is K P by 2, which is greater than 0. So for N equal to P by 4, R will be increasing function. So this will be, so as this function is, this is parabola, so this will like parabola. So it will be like this, but let us check. For N equal to 3P by 4, this dr dn will be K into P minus 3P by 4. So this will be 3, this is 6. 2 into 3P by 4, 6P by 4. So this will be 3 by 2. So therefore this will be minus Kp by 2. So this is less than 0. So for N equal to this, R will be decreasing function. So that's why this is decreasing. So the graph will be like this, parabola. So the option C is correct, where this was given. At N equal to P, R is 0, and at N equal to 0, R is 0. So option C is correct. So if you like it, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. I'll discuss more problem from general aptitude of CSIR net exam, basically from mathematical sciences. Thank you. Keep learning, keep watching.